My name is Ronak Shah, and in this session we are going to discuss profit and loss. So once again, welcome to this daily live sessions of Unacademy CAT4MBA channel. Let me quickly tell you something about myself in case if you are new to this session. So I have completed my MBA and I'm also an engineer. I have more than 12 years of training experience and I've trained more than 10,000 students. So I'm sure you will benefit a lot through my experience. And I personally appeared for CAT many times, and I'm also a digital marketer. So we can have plenty of different discussions, and we have the best of the educators on this channel. So make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. Now let me quickly brief you about the agenda for this session. So we are going to discuss some important terminologies, and we'll discuss calculation shortcuts as far as profit and loss is concerned, and we'll discuss some important formula, and then we'll practice plenty of questions. So get ready, and just to quickly make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. In case if you haven't, then please do it, and do not forget to press the bell icon and also be part of our Telegram channel. You can also go for the subscription and you can enjoy many more benefits. You can attend my sessions and other educator session on Unacademy Learning app. Not only that, you will also get mock test series, leaderboard access and personal attention if you go for this subscription plan. So there are various subscription plan available. I'll suggest you go for 6 months or 12 months or 24 months plan, depending upon whether you are appearing for CAT this year or next year. And use this referral code SHAH10. Using that, you will get 10% discount as well. Do not forget to inform me over here. So these are my contact details, and you can also stay in touch with me for plenty of guidance. So guys, let's begin and let's crack it. So quickly go through this example, because these are the terminologies that we need to understand: mark price, discount, selling price, profit or loss, and cost price. All the questions will require you to use or find one of this variable. So this is why we need to quickly understand that. So look at this example. Hi Adil, good afternoon, good evening. A trader marks his goods certain percentage above the cost price and offers a discount of 20%. Okay, thereby making a profit of 20%. So he offers a discount of 20% and makes a profit of 20%. So this is what is given. Okay, find the profit percentage if no discount would have been offered. Right now guys, let's start with cost price. Nothing is given, so we can take cost price as 100 rupees. It is 100 rupees. Now profit is 20%, so let's add 20 to this. So the selling price will come out to be 120 rupees. Yes or no? Now this selling price is after 20% discount on the mark price. So if I consider mark price as Y, then what is 20% of Y? It's 0.2Y. We have discussed this multiplying factor yesterday during our percentage session. So I'm sure all of you are well versed with this now. So 20% of Y is 0.2Y, subtract it from Y. So you will get this as 0.8Y. Or you can say 80% of mark price is 120. So what should be the mark price over here? So just divide 120 by 0.8 and it will come out to be what? 150 rupees, right? So can I say the mark price should have been 150 rupees over here? Now if you offer 20% discount, so what is 20% of 150? It's 30 rupees, and your selling price would come out to be 120 rupees again. Have you all understood this part, everyone? Okay, great. So yes, remember this thing, discount is always calculated on mark price. If there is no discount, then this mark price and selling price will be same, and profit or loss percentage is always calculated on cost price. So this is what you had to understand mainly. Now let's look at certain situation. You want to find out cost price, you want to find out selling price from cost price. Okay, and trust me, it is very simple. So for example, if cost price is 150, profit is 20%. So what you'll do is you'll find out 20% of 150, that will come out to be 30 rupees. Add this 30 rupees to 150, so it will come out to be 180. This is the selling price. If there is a loss, then you will subtract that much. So can you tell me what will be the selling price over here? Quickly type your answer in the comment section and tell me what is the selling price in the second case when there is a loss of 15%. Can you calculate that, everyone? Cost price 150. So you just need to calculate 15% of 150. What is 15% of 150? Can I say it's 22.5? We have understood this. What is 10%? No, Adil, that's incorrect. What is 10% of 150? 15. What is 5%? 7.5. So 15 plus 7.5, it's 22.5. It's lost, so subtract it and you will get 127.5 rupees as your selling price if cost price is 150. What I'm trying to tell you is, this selling price from cost price, it's very simple. You can easily calculate if profit or loss percentage is given. Now let's look at a different scenario. In fact, there is also a formula, but we will never use this formula. We can directly do it. What if you want to find out cost price from selling price? So now selling price is given as 198 and profit is 10%. So can I do it this way? 10% of 198, it's 19.8. And then subtract, because it was a profit, so from selling price we'll subtract this profit, so we'll get cost price. No, this is incorrect. You can't do it this way, because profit percentage is always percentage of cost. So if my cost is X, then we are adding 0.1. 10% means 0.1x to this X, and then we are getting the selling price, which is 1.1x. So if I want, I can write it this way. 1.1x is equal to 198. So what will be X? It will be 198 divided by 1.1. So if you solve this thing, it will come out to be 180. In fact, guys, you can also do a bit of trial and error and you can figure out this answer, that 10% is a profit, selling price comes out to be 198. So what should be the cost price? So I can think of some number 180, and 10% of 180 is 18. Add that in 180, so you will get 198 as the selling price. So this is how you can quickly calculate cost price from selling price, but it is not as simple as calculating selling price from cost price. That was pretty straight, but here you will have to do a bit of juggling. So I'll give you a shortcut for this as well. Remember what we did over here, we divided 198 by 1.1 because the profit was 10%. Are you clear with this, everyone? Okay, fine. Let's take one more example. Suppose you are given selling price as 198 and loss is 10%. So if cost price is X, we need to subtract 0.1x, right, from X. So this will come out to be 0.9x. Yes or no? And that is given as 198. So let me just write over here, 0.9x is equal to 198. So what will be X? It's 198 divided by 0.9. Now if you solve this thing, 20 to 9s are 198. So this will come out to be, your cost price will come out to be 220 rupees. Again, you could have done this thing by trial and error also, right? Adil, are you able to understand this part? Is there any confusion? Where are the other students? Can you quickly ping on the group so that everyone can be here? Yep. Okay, please see if others can join us. Post this link over there on the group. Guys, you should be aware about our group. Our group is this one, in case if you are attending my session for the first time. So this is the group, CAT_discussions. It's discussions. Okay, this is the Telegram group. So be part of this group so that you can also get notification, right? Okay, fine. So once again, when there was a loss of 10%, we divided the selling price by 0.9 to get the cost price. So let me give you a simple way to calculating the selling price from cost price from selling price. So here is that table that you need to remember, or you can say a multiplying factor or dividing factor. So when selling price is Y, profit is 10%, what will be the cost price? Divide that Y by 1.1. Same way, when selling price is Y, profit is 25%, what will be the cost price? Divide Y by 1.25. Selling price is Y, profit is 47%, so divide by 1.47. How are we getting this? It's very simple. See, please understand, 10% profit, so just think it this way, 100 plus 10, it's 110, so we are dividing by 1.1. 47% profit, so 100 plus 47, it's 147, so we'll divide by 1.47. Same way, if selling price is Y, loss is 10%, so think it this way, 100 minus 10. Right? What is 100 minus 10? It's 90, so we are dividing by 0.9. Same way, 100 minus 25, 75, so we are dividing by 0.75, and so on and so forth. So if you are given selling price, if you are given this profit or loss percent, you can straight away calculate cost price by dividing by certain factor. So that is what I mean by this multiplying factors, or you can say dividing factors. Are you clear with this point? Is there any confusion in this? Sure. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now guys, there are certain formula that you need to remember. So when a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of say X%, when a person sells two items at the same price, not similar items, at the same SP, matlab selling price are same, and on one item you are gaining X%, on another item you are losing X%, then seller will always incur a loss of X square upon 100%. So for example, I sold two items. Let me just show you over here. First item, second item, right? The selling price for both of them was 198. Okay, I sold this as a profit of 10% and I sold this as a loss of 10%. So of course the cost price over here will come out to be 180, selling price over here will come out to be 220. So what is my total cost? 400. What is my total revenue? 396. So what is my loss? 4 rupees loss. So what is this percentage? Can I say it's going to be 1%, which is nothing but equal to 10 square upon 100%, because on one item I am making a profit of 10% and on another item I am incurring a loss of 10%, and see, the selling price of both the items was same. So that's where I can straight away use this particular formula. Will you all remember this? Yes, Adil, are you there? Have you understood this part? Show me a thumbs up quickly. Okay, same way, if a trader possesses to sell his goods at cost price but uses a false weight, matlab instead of 1 kg, say he is giving 800 grams. So in this case, the error or the cheating will be equal to 200 grams. Okay, right? So here the formula is, in such scenario when a trader gives away things at cost price, but what he does is, how he makes profit, he is making profit by using the false weight. Instead of using that 1 kg weight, he has removed some iron from the bottom and he has made it of 800 grams. Now customer would not realize this thing. The customer will look at just the number printed on that weight, which is 1 kg. So they feel, okay, I'm getting 1 kg goods, but they are actually not getting 1 kg goods, right? So in that case, the gain percentage is what? Error upon true value minus error. So what is error? 200 grams. True value was 1 kg, that is 1000 grams, minus error into 100%. So if you solve this thing, this will come out to be 25%. Are you all clear with this point, everyone? Fine. Okay, there is one more formula. So now understand this formula. Okay, so if a trader makes a profit of X% by cheating and profit of Y% by selling at above cost price, the net profit percent is X plus Y plus XY upon 100. You know, there is a trader who is making 25% profit by this way, using false weight, and apart from that, he is not selling at the cost price, he is selling at a price which is 20% above cost. So can I say he is making two kind of profit? One is 20% profit and another profit is 25% profit. So what will be the net profit? So net profit will be can be calculated using this formula. So 20 plus 25 plus 20 into 25 upon 100. If you solve this thing, it will come out to be 50% as the net profit. It will be a cumulative profit. Remember this thing. Okay, everyone, are you clear with this? Fine. So let's go ahead with the questions. Now we are going to practice plenty of questions. So today's session and tomorrow's session, it's going to be only practice. Okay, sure. So this is concept exercise. So I want each of you to try this question and type your answer in the comment section. So please do it. By what fraction should you multiply the SP to get CP if loss is of 20%? If loss is of 20%. Can you tell me what fraction will you multiply your SP to get CP if the loss is 20%? See, cost price is 100. Okay, profit is, sorry, loss is 20%. Fraction, can you convert it into fraction? Loss is 20%. So can I say selling price will be 80 rupees in this case? Now suppose I am given selling price and I want to find out cost price. So by what factor should I multiply this 80? By what fraction should I multiply this 80 to get 100? Can I say I need to multiply by 5 by 4? That's your answer. So what fraction should you multiply? 5 by 4. Right? See, this price after 20% loss, this price is 80% of the cost, or you can say 4/5 of the cost. So selling price is 4/5 of the cost price. So if you want to find out cost price from selling price, you multiply by reciprocal, that is 5 by 4. Are we clear? Okay, fine. See, it is something like this. Once again, pay attention. Cost price is 100. Loss is 20%. There is a loss of 20%. Okay. So selling price, can I say selling price will be 80 rupees? Now, what is the question? By what fraction should you multiply the SP to get CP, right? So you have SP as 80 and you want to find out the CP 100. So by what fraction should we multiply this 80 to get 100? Can I say it should be 5 by 4? So that's why I wrote answer as 5 by 4. Correct? You can also say that selling price is 4/5 of cost price. So can I say cost price will be equal to 5 by 4 of selling price? Yes or no? So by what factor are we multiplying selling price? Should you multiply selling price? So we are multiplying by 5 by 4. Correct? Okay, sure. Try for one more question. Try for one more question. Second one, everyone. Yeah, hi Mihir, hi Harsh. Good evening, guys. Buy 3 get 5 free. Find the percentage discount offered on each article. Guys, we are just taking some concept question, so that once your concepts are clear, then I can give you CAT level questions. Okay, so this is our objective, first to look at concept questions and then increase the level of difficulty in step by step manner. And tomorrow we are even going to discuss a more challenging question. Yeah, good evening, Harsh. So Mihir, Harsh, Adil, all of you solve this question and type your answer in the chat box. Buy 3 get 5 free. Find the percentage discount offered on each article. When you avail this offer, buy 3 get 5 free. See, for example, if I avail this offer, buy 1 get 1 free. What is the percentage discount over here? What is the percentage discount over here? Can I say it's 50%? Guys, buy 1 get 1 means we are availing 50% discount. So same way, buy 3 get 5 free. What is the percentage discount that we are availing? Yes, Adil? Tell me. See, buy 3 get 5 free means you bought 3, you paid for 3, right? And you got 5 free. No, 15%. Hi Saurav, 15% is incorrect. See, please understand, buy 3 get 5 free means you bought 3, that means you paid for 3 and you got additionally 5 free. So can I say total I got 8 shirts. Suppose I'm talking about shirts, so I got total 8 shirts. Now look at this one, buy 1 get 1 free. How did we get this 50% discount? So remember, discount percentage is always free upon total into 100. Free upon total into 100. So here in buy 1 get 1, can I say I'm getting 1 shirt free out of 2, right? So this came out to be 50%. Same way here I am getting 5 free out of 8. So discount percentage will be 5 by 8 into 100%. So this will come out to be 62.5%. Are you all getting this point, guys? This is the discount percentage, 62.5%. So I'm sure now the malls have opened up and you will surely go for discount. So please be careful about this thing. See, attending this daily lives will also make you smart shopper. Isn't that? You will save some money. Many times you see this kind of offers, right? Something like buy 4 get 1, buy 3 get 1 free, something like that. Buy 3 get 1 free, and otherwise they are ready to give you flat 25% discount. So which offer should you take? Buy 3 get 1 free, okay, and otherwise you can go for flat 25% discount. So which offer is better? Can you tell me? Same, both are same. So do you really need to purchase 4 garments? I mean, do you really need to take 4 garments for that? Because anyway you are getting 25%, right? So yeah, be careful about that. So guys, the answer for first question was 5/4. Answer for this one is 62.5%. Remember, discount percentage is always equal to free upon total into 100%, right? Okay, fine. Let's take one more question. Buy 3 get 5. What is the percentage discount? Will it be same, 62.5%? Is it same as this one? Buy 3 get 5, or it's different? Guys? Okay, everyone, just one important thing. So today after this session, I mean at 5 p.m. I'm taking special class on LRDI. So you will understand how am I going to teach LRDI, right? In case if LRDI is your concern, so you can definitely start your LRDI thing also with me. So join me at 5 p.m. on Unacademy app, and we are going to have lots of fun as I have promised. So be part of that and I'll tell you what is going to be there. Okay, chalo. What's the answer over here? Is it 62.5%? No, it will not be 62.5%, guys. It will be different. So in this one, we bought 3 and we got free 2. We got 2 free. So total we got 5. Buy 3 get 5 means in total you are going to get 5, right? So what is the percentage discount? It's going to be 2/5 into 100%. So this is going to be 40%. Are you all clear? So this is how you should be able to solve the questions. Fine, guys. Now let me just go ahead with next one. Here is the question. Can you tell me what will be the discount over there? Sorry, fourth question. Just answer this one. What is the loss or gain percentage? This is going to be 40%. Sort of buy 3 get 5 means you are getting total 5 garments, okay, and you have purchased 3, so you are going to get 2 free. Okay, so discount is 2/5. Oh fine, question nahi dikh raha hai. Okay, so no, but that will not help it. Okay, see if it is visible now. Let me write this question, guys. This is the only question that I have written this way. Right, okay. So the question is, let me read it for you. Let me write over here. The SP of 12 notebooks is equal to CP of 15 notebooks. So what is the profit or what is the loss or gain percent? Okay, this is the question. The SP of 12 notebooks is equal to CP of 15 notebooks. So we can say 12y is equal to 15x. Yeah, if we are taking CP as X and SP as Y. So 12y equal to 15x, or I can say y by x is equal to 15 by 12. That means goods worth rupees 12 we are selling at 15 rupees. So can I say this is a profit of 25%? This is a profit of 25%, isn't that, everyone? So you should be clear with this. Let's go ahead, let's take a few more questions. Okay, fine, start with this one. Chalo. Now you should not take more than 1 minute's time. Please do it. Out of the shirts produced in a factory, 15% are defective, while 20% of the rest are sold in the domestic market. If the remaining 8840 shirts are left for exports, then the number of shirts produced in the factory, right? Suppose total number of shirts were 100x, so defective कितने हो जाएंगे 15x, so left कितने हो गए अभी 85x. Now of the rest, means of this remaining, how many shirts were sold in domestic market? 20%. What is 20% of 85x? 17x are sold, so total gone is 32x, right? So that means remaining 68x. Correct. Yes, Saurav, that's correct. Oh, good. So remaining 68x is equal to 8840. So what is x? 8840 upon 68. So you will get this as 13, right? You will get this as 130. So what is 100x? So 100x will come out to be 13,000. Guys, are you all clear with this? Quickly show me a thumbs up. That was a very simple question. It was more of a percentage question, right? Okay, fine. So let's go ahead, since all of you have sold. So now gradually we'll increase the difficulty. Of course, still these are easy questions, so keep doing it. Here comes one more question. So again, 1 minute time is sufficient for this one. Everyone, please try for this and quickly tell me what will be the answer. All at the same price. So cost price, let's take X. So total cost will be 10x, right? Now for selling price of 6 will be equal to 6 into 1.25x. Profit of x% means you need to increase your cost price by 25%, correct? Okay, so this will come out to be, what is 125 6a? Can I say it's 7.5x, and selling price of 4 will be equal to 4 into 0.75x. So if you solve this thing, this will come out to be 3x. Now what is the total selling price? 10.5x. So they are saying that he made total profit of 2000. So 10.5x minus this cost price 10x is equal to 2000, right? So x will come out to be 4000 rupees. Very simple question, right? Hope you all enjoyed doing that. Yeah, so guys, this is also a similar question. We can skip this thing. Let's take up some few other questions. Right, please do it. Try for this one. Everyone solve this Shepherd question. The Shepherd sells 16 ship at a gain of 12.5% and 20 more at a certain gain percent. If she gains 25% on the whole, okay, how much percent gain did she make on the letter number? 20 over here, 16 over here. See, of course, you can make an equation and you can do it, but let's try to do it through mixture alligation. Everyone, if you have attended, somewhere mixture alligation session, then please understand. I sold, just pay your attention because I know you are going to solve it using the equation. It's very simple. You can assume X ships were sold at 20%. 20 ships were sold at X% gain and so on and so forth. You can do it. Right, but what if I apply mixture alligation? So I can apply that in this way, that I sold certain ships at 12.5%, certain other at some other percent, and due to that my average profit comes out to be 25%, right? So I can either find out the ratio or I can find out that missing value as I have represented over here. 12.5%, some other percent, average 25%. Now we know there were 16 ships over here, 20 over here. So this ratio should be 16:20. That is 4:5. Are you all with me? Try to understand. Even if you haven't attended mixture alligation session, I'm going to teach you afterwards. But just try to understand if you can use this. So this is 4:5. Now what you need to do is subtract this 12.5% from 25, because of course this is greater than this one, right? So subtract this 12.5 from 5.5. This is not 25.5, it's 25%. So this will come out to be 12.5. Yes or no? So instead of 5 we have 12.5. Can I say it's 2.5 times of 5? So this should also be 2.5 times. This should also be 2.5 times. So what is 2.5 times of this one? It's going to be 10. To get 10 over here, what value should I write? Can I say 35? So 35 minus 25 will be 10. See, this value will always greater than average. This value will always more than average. This value will always less than average. Okay, so this is how it is. So I realized if I write 35 over here, 35 minus 25, it will be 10. See, it became actually very simple question. You don't need to solve any equation. And over a period of time, once you have practiced plenty of question, you can actually visualize this thing and solve it. Have you understood this? So answer will be 35%. Guys, have you all understood this mixture alligation? Show me a thumbs up if all of you have understood this. Yeah, please show me. Or do you want me to solve it using equation once again? Yes, Adil, what I said is we are applying rule of alligation over here. We are applying rule of alligation, Adil. Yeah, okay. Harsh and Saurav, just wait for 2 minutes. Let me repeat this thing. So we sold certain ship at 12.5%, certain other at some other percent, and because of this, our net gain came out to be 25%. Right? So let me just show you. This is how you use mixture alligation. Look at the arrows that I have drawn. Now we know there were 16 ships over here. there were 16 ships over here and there were 20 ships of this variety, right? So what is this ratio? Can we say this is 16 is to 20? This ratio is nothing but 4 is to 5. In this always we take as ratio. Okay, so 4 is to 5. Okay, now 25 minus 12.5, it's 12.5. So instead of 5 we are writing 12.5 over here. So instead of 4, what should we write? So this is 2.5 times 5 into 2.5 is 12.5. So 4 into 2.5, what will be this value? It will be 10, right? So what should I write? So when I subtract 25 from this one, I get 10. So I should write 35 over here, isn't that? So that's how I got 35%. Yes, Adil? Okay, sure. Otherwise, you can keep solving using equation, guys. That's perfectly fine. So why don't you try for this one? Please do it. Now, this is a good question. I'll not call it difficult, but yes, it's not a simple straight question. So questions after this are going to be slightly tricky. Type your answer quickly. Solve this and tell me your answer. 1 minute is again sufficient. Saurav, Harsh, are you there? Are you solving? Both of you? So session. Okay, guys, chalo. Jagdish sells onion in the street of Delhi due to the recent shortfall in the supply of onions. Any answer for this, guys? He doubles his selling price despite the cost price remains the same for him due to the fixed price contract. He realizes that his profit have tripled. Find the original profit percent. You need to find out original profit percent. So what shall we do? Guys, if you want, you can assume the cost price as 100 and profit as X. Okay, so X will be X percent of 100, of course. So what will be the selling price? It will be 100 plus X. Now, due to shortfall of supply, you know what he'll do? He'll try to make more profit by doubling his price. So now the selling price has become, okay, let's check, 100%. This is what you are saying. Okay, correct. You can also do it by trial and error though. So selling price has become double. So can I say instead of 100 plus X, now it will become 200 plus X, but the cost price remains the same, that is 100. So what is his profit now? What is his profit now? Can I say it's this one minus this one, that is 100 plus 2X is the profit, which is double the previous profit. Earlier, what was the profit? Oh, sorry. He doubles his selling price and the cost price remains same. So he realizes that his profit have tripled. So this profit is actually 3 times the previous profit. Earlier profit of X, so this should be 3X. If you solve this thing, so you will get X is equal to 100. So that means his profit was 100%. 100 rupees cost price, 100 rupees profit. That's 100%. Isn't that, guys? Okay, great. Chalo, one more. Try for this. One calculates profit on the cost price, buying price means cost price, and another calculate on selling price. When the selling prices are same, so both of them are selling at the same price, then the difference of their actual profit is 85, and both claim to have made 20% profit. What is the selling price? It's not a straight question, but still 1 to 1.5 minute should be sufficient. First trader, second trader, selling price is same for both, say Y, okay, and profit is 20% on cost, and here profit is 20% on SP. So what should be the cost? Guys, can I say when profit, please understand, in case if you are not able to solve this, pay your attention. When profit is 20% on cost, of course, then how do we find CP from SP? Dividing Y by 1.2. Do you remember that table? If if SP is Y, in the normal case, when SP is Y, profit is 20%. Of course, this is calculated on cost. Then what is the cost price? Y upon 1.2. So this is the concept that I'm using. 2250. Okay, let me नहीं 2250 तो ऑप्शन में ही नहीं है. Fine. So this is the selling price. Now over here, what will be the this is the cost price for first trader. What about the second trader? Can I say for second trader 20% on SP? So this profit is 0.2Y. So straight away subtract from Y. So this will come out to be 0.8Y. And this difference is given as what? 85 rupees. Okay. This difference is given as 85 rupees. Fine. Guys. So of course this is more than this one. So I'll just solve this thing. Correct. So this will come out to be what? Can I say this is Y upon 1.2? Matlab Y upon 1.2 is 6 by 5, so 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 Y minus 4 by 5 Y. 0.8 is what? 4 by 5. This is Y upon 1.2 means Y upon 6 by 5 means 6 by 5 by 6 into Y. So this is what I have written over here. Okay, minus 4 by 5 is equal to 85. Let's solve this thing. So 25 minus 24, that is Y upon 30 will come out to be 85, right? So Y will come out to be 2550. The only thing that you had to be careful about was this one, how to calculate cost price. अगर आपको ये cost price calculate करना आ गया ना guys, सब चीज सिंपल हो गई. देखो फिर से एक बार समझ लेते हैं जल्दी से, इन केस यू हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन. सेलिंग प्राइस दोनों की हमने वाई ले ली, जिसमें प्रॉफिट नॉर्मल था, नॉर्मल मतलब कॉस्ट प्राइस पे कैलकुलेट हुआ था, उसमें हम कॉस्ट प्राइस कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? y अपॉन 1.2 करके. व्हेन प्रॉफिट इज 20% द डिवाइडिंग फैक्टर इज 1.2. सो ये मिल गया. जिसमें प्रॉफिट सेलिंग प्राइस पे था, तो मतलब 20% प्रॉफिट है, तो हम 20% किसका कैलकुलेट करेंगे? सेलिंग प्राइस का, विच इज 0.2y. एंड सेलिंग प्राइस से जब हम प्रॉफिट सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमें कॉस्ट प्राइस मिलता है. सो हमें यहाँ पे कॉस्ट प्राइस मिल गया 0.8y. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस हमें दिया हुआ था, मैंने डिफरेंस लिया 85, सॉल्व किया एंड वी गॉट द आंसर. यस, ओके, लेट्स ट्राई फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. चलो, हु विल गिव मी द करेक्ट आंसर? Once again, 1 minute Take it and let me know on the answer. So guys, this is going to be the last question for today. Tomorrow, once again, we'll continue with plenty of practice question, plenty of. So tomorrow mostly will be take up all questions of CAT level. So if you look at this question or the other questions, all of these are CAT questions. This is what we are going to discuss tomorrow, right? In CAT 2017, 18, 19, you will find plenty of arithmetic questions, and this is what I want you to understand. You see, questions even in CAT exam are not very difficult. When I say CAT question, means not necessarily a very difficult question. It may be moderate, sometimes it may be easy, something like what I have displayed on your screen right now. And guys, please share this channel, this timings 4 to 5 p.m. with your friends also, if they are also preparing. So just put it on your college WhatsApp group, tell them about this Unacademy CAT4MBA channel, tell them about my special classes, the sessions. So yeah, that would be helpful, right, to them. And we will also get more viewers, because higher the viewers, better will be the interaction. Of course, right now you are all getting personal attention, isn't that? So that anyways you will keep getting, because you are my old students, right? My loyal followers. You are always there for the sessions. And I'm assuming that you enjoy and you are being benefited from the sessions. So due to the increase of 20% in the price of eggs, 2 eggs less are available for 24. I'll show you a shortcut for this. I'll show you a shortcut. No, option D is incorrect. Sort of DD is incorrect. Okay, so guys, pay your attention, please. Everyone, just pay your attention. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Okay, total we are spending 24 rupees. I don't know what is the price and what is the consumption. Okay, but price has increased by 20%. Please understand, if I want to keep this 24 rupees as it is, I'll have to reduce my consumption by how much? 16.66%. Do you remember those increase decrease pair of percentage that I discussed in the percentage class? 20% increase will get cancelled off by 16.66% decrease. So this is how it is. Now 16.66% is nothing but 1 by 6. Can I say 1 by 6 means 2 eggs less? This 1/6 means 2 eggs. So what should be the complete 1 by 6th of total is equal to 2 eggs. So what should be the total number of eggs? It should be 12 eggs, right? That means dozen, 1 dozen. Okay, so I am purchasing 12 eggs for 24 rupees. I was purchasing 12 eggs for 24 rupees at the earlier price. Now the prices have increased. So can I say earlier the price of 1 dozen egg was 24 rupees. So what should be the price now? It has increased by 20%. So what is 20% of 24? 4.8. Add it and it will come out to be 28.8 rupees per dozen. Have you all understood this, guys? Isn't that a simple question? By looking at it, the question, you can make out 20% increase, so 16.66% decrease. 16.66 means 1/6 decrease, which is equal to 2 eggs. So total eggs that I used to purchase earlier should be 6 into 2, 12 eggs, that is 1 dozen. So earlier I used to purchase 1 dozen eggs in 24 rupees. Now the prices have increased by 20%. So increase it and you will get the current price, which is 28.8 rupees per dozen. Yeah, hi Zahir. Correct, everyone? Yeah, so this is how quickly you can solve questions. Of course, you could have easily made equation also for this one. So you could have made equation like this. Now let's look at, if we make equation, what happens. 24 is equal to price into consumption. Okay, then there is a 20% increase in price, so 1.2p. So consumption, you are getting 2x less, so c minus 2. So this is again 24. You solve this thing, so what will you get? You will get something, and then equate this to cancel off pc, so you will get consumption value, price value, and then you will solve the question. It will take lots of time. Don't do it this way. Are we clear? So guys, we are just stopping here, but once again, just to quickly tell you about my sessions. So now I'll be conducting sessions on YouTube from 4 to 5 p.m. and I'm also starting a new plus course from Friday. This is starting from Friday. Okay, I have also shared the link, which is 14th of August. And it is LRDI course, and I'll soon start more courses. Like I'm also launching number system on the Plus platform. So for that, you should have taken subscription. Use my referral code SHAH10 to take the subscription, and please inform me on this one. There are plenty of advantages of subscription apart from getting personal attention from me. I've created a separate group of subscribers and they interact with me almost on a regular basis, right? I also check their progress. So this is what you can expect. Sir, I got the same idea but a bit confused by 2x less. So yeah, that's perfectly fine, Zahir. So this is how, see, if you just attend the sessions, that will actually make your things pretty clear, right? So that is why we are taking different varieties of question in this one. Otherwise, you can also sit by yourself, you can solve it from a book and you can check the solution. But guys, when you are solving the question under a faculty supervision, whether it's me or someone else, you get a different way of understanding things, right? Which doesn't happen in a book. So keep attending, and there is a 5 p.m. session. It's completely new session, LRDI, and we are going to have fun in that. Be there at 5 p.m. That's it for time being. See you at 5 over there on Plus, and tomorrow at the same time 4 p.m. over here with more practice questions of this profit and loss. Thank you guys, and have a good day.